Ted, thank you so much for the money you sent me. It's Thursday today, and February, the work is going on, as you can see. It's lovely. The grass is the first thing we're moving on. The snakes could be here. So I was able to buy some barbed wire, and then the cutting of the grass. And then I'll have something, a little leftover to pay the wages. So I'll still be stuck with this house, but God willing, I know miracles happen. I'll be able to roof it. God bless you, and have a nice day. Ted, thank you so much. It's Thursday. As you can see, these guys are working on the fence now. I'm also cutting the bushy grass.